Hello students, once again you are welcome back in this session. Today in this session we are going to learn about definite article and its rules. In the previous lecture we saw article and its basic concepts, use of a and an. But today first of all we will know about definite article, then we will move to its rules. So first of all, what is definite article? The article that is used before a noun to make the position of noun definite or certain is called a definite article. It means definite article makes the position of noun definite, means it makes the noun particular and its use is specific use. And in that session I told you this is the weaker form of this and that, means the is the weaker form of this and that. And second thing is it has its only functional meaning, functional value. Now we will come to the first rule of definite article. Rule first: the plus adjective plus no noun. It's the first rule. It means article the is put before that adjective that functions like a noun. Noun of multitude. For example, the poor are being helped by us. This word is here in the form of adjective, but if we talk about the function of this word, its function is just like a noun. कहने का सही क्या है, ये वर्ड एडजेक्टिव है, लेकिन इस एडजेक्टिव का अगर हम यहाँ फंक्शन देखते हैं तो ये फंक्शन नाउन का फंक्शन यहां दे रहा है, अर्थात ये नाउन में नाउन ऑफ मल्टीट्यूड के रूप में यूज किया गया है इस आर्टिकल के यूज होने से। तो ये आर्टिकल उस एडजेक्टिव के ठीक पहले यूज होता है जो नाउन के फंक्शन में आ जाता है, मींस उसके बाद कोई नाउन नहीं होता, जैसा कि यहां स्ट्रक्चर में आपको बताया गया। तो आई होप ये फर्स्ट रूल क्लियर हुआ होगा। द प्लस एडजेक्टिव, after that there is no noun and that adjective functions like a noun and that is in the form of noun of multitude. Now rule second says that this article is put before the ordinal and superlative, means with the ordinals and superlative. Of adjective. Ordinals means the word that decides the order. Superlative, you know there are 3 degrees of adjective and adverb: positive, comparative and superlative. So article the is put before the ordinal and superlative of adjective. Just example, the first chapter is very easy. The first chapter, here this word is in the form of ordinal. So इसके पहले इस आर्टिकल को यूज किया गया है, ये रूल्स कहता है। सुपरलेटिव के पहले भी दिस आर्टिकल इज पुट। एग्जाम्पल, ही इज द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट इन दिस क्लास। स्टूडेंट इज हियर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नाउन। नाउन के ठीक पहले ये बेस्ट वर्ड जो देख रहे हैं हम, दैट इज सुपरलेटिव डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव, और इसके ठीक पहले ये वर्ड जो यहां यूज किया गया है दैट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डेफिनिट आर्टिकल। आई होप ये दोनों रूल्स क्लियर हुए होंगे। एक चीज यहां और आपको हम बताना चाहेंगे, सुपरलेटिव प्लस नाउन मीन्स इफ द सुपरलेटिव प्लस नाउन हैज बीन यूज्ड in vocative case, at that condition this article is not used before this superlative. For example, oh dearest friend, come to me. Dearest is here in the form of superlative. This is noun, and I told you superlative plus noun, if this structure has been used in vocative case, this is the vocative case, so in this condition this article will not put before this superlative degree. I hope first and second rule will clear to you. Now we will move to the third rule. Third rule, with the religious books. Means this article is put before the name of the religious books. Just the Ramayana. But एक चीज और यहां आपको बताना चाहेंगे, if the writer and the poet, if the writer or the poet has been put before the name of the religious books, at that condition this article will not come before the name of the book. For example, Valmiki's Ramayana. So यहां ये आर्टिकल नहीं यूज होगा, बिकॉज इसका जो यहां राइटर है, पोएट है, उसका यहां नाम मेंशन किया गया है. ऐसी कंडीशन जहां भी होगी दिस आर्टिकल विल नॉट बी यूज्ड. इसी को अगर हम दूसरे तरीके से लिख दें, द रामायण ऑफ वाल्मीकि. नाउ दिस इज राइट. आई होप दिस रूल विल क्लियर टू यू. नाउ वी विल मूव टू द फोर्थ रूल. Fourth rule says with the direction. Directions. Before the name of the directions, this article is used. Just an example. The sun rises in the east. So this is the name of a direction and that's why this article has been used here. But एक चीज यहां आपको जानना जरूरी है, ये कंडीशन, ये रूल्स उस समय हम अप्लाई नहीं कर पाएंगे when we will not get any preposition. Means if the preposition is not used before the name of the direction, at that condition this article will not come. Example, my house faces east. This is the name of direction, but there is no preposition here right now. So in this condition, this article can't be added, can't be put. I hope the fourth rule will clear to you. Now we will move to the fifth rule. Fifth rule क्या कहता है? With the musical instruments. With the musical instruments, this article is used. Example, I cannot play the piano. As the rule says, this article has been used here. एक चीज आपको यहां याद रखना है, if the musical instruments have been used in the sentence in the form of countable noun, at that condition either a or an will be applied over there. Just example, she gave me a piano. ये वर्ड जो यूज किया गया है मीन्स ये पियानो वर्ड जो हम यहां देख रहे हैं, ये म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो है ये काउंटेबल नाउन के रूप में है. दैट्स वाई यहां अ आर्टिकल यूज किया गया है. यहां द भी यूज कर सकते हैं. कब? जब ये स्पेसिफिक यूज इसका होगा, मीन्स ये पर्टिकुलर हो जाएगा. ठीक है. एग्जाम्पल, शी गेव मी द पियानो विच आई आस्क्ड. तो ऐसी कंडीशन में पियानो के पहले आर्टिकल द भी आ सकता है जब इसका स्पेसिफिक यूज अर्थात ये पर्टिकुलर होगा. ऐसी कंडीशन में आर्टिकल द भी ऐड किया जा सकता है. रूल 6, नाउन प्लस ऑफ प्लस नाउन. ऐसी कंडीशन में दिस आर्टिकल विल कम बिफोर द फर्स्ट नाउन. एग्जाम्पल, द people of Bihar. The people of Bihar. देख रहे हैं people, what is noun of and Bihar is also. तो noun plus of plus noun, ऐसी कंडीशन में this article comes before the first noun. I think this 5th and 6th rule will be clear to you. Now we will move to the 7th rule. 7th rule says that when a proper noun used as a common noun, so this article will be used before that noun that will be used in the form of common noun. Example, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Shakespeare is the name of a particular person, but here this word has been used in the form of a common noun. Means this is a proper noun, but here it has been used in the form of a common noun, and that's why, as the rule says, this article has been used. Next rule, the plus adjective plus noun means proper noun. If there is a proper noun and before that proper noun, if there is an adjective, before that adjective there will be definite article. Example, the immortal Gandhi, the great Shakespeare, etc. Rule 9th, with the newspapers, with the names of newspaper like the Times of India, etc. Rule 10th, Rule 10 says with political parties. With political parties. With the name of the political parties, this article is used. Just an example, the Bharatiya Janata Party, the Janata Dal, etc. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it will help you. See you in the next video, in the next session with some other rules. Thank you very much.